For the next 90 seconds,
I want you to imagine what the last 12 weeks would have been like if you and your family had no access to technology to connect to the outside world.
Imagine what you would have missed.
The news,
the movement,
school.
Children are facing a huge learning gap in the wake of this pandemic.
But for children and young people living in poverty, COVID-19 has magnified their vulnerability. Because without access to technology,
they lack basic access to the world.
That's why the Institute of Imagination is launching the iOi at Home digital lending library.
A new digital initiative providing technology and online engagement for children and young people living in the areas hardest hit by COVID-19.
It's about building confidence and aspiration through our unique and creative programs.
It's about supporting the work that parents and teachers are doing to close the learning gap as quickly as possible.
It's about building skills, well-being and resilience in vulnerable children and young people for the long term.
Because while we're coming through this, we're not through it yet. The Institute of Imagination is a children and families charity.
We take our work across London and all over the world.
But with the limitations we're all experiencing right now,
we're keeping our focus close to home, where the need is greatest.
In the heart of the East End is Newham,
where 52% of people are living beneath the poverty line.
And it's the area hardest hit by COVID-19 in the entire nation.
The iOi at Home digital lending library will support children, young people, and their families who don't have digital access with an engaging program of digital creativity and tinkering, interactive online workshops, materials, tools, and digital devices like computers, tablets, and other fun tech, internet access, and data.
This week, thanks to the Big Summer Give and the Childhood Trust, every £1 you donate to the Institute of Imagination will be doubled.
Please donate now. Help us bridge the digital divide.
Help us reimagine learning together and ensure those most affected by this pandemic aren't left behind. Thank you.